ask, what is the cost difference between a Shave-Less FUE and a shaved FUE? And we have to look at kind of multiple things to kind of calculate this. The first aspect is you have to look at what is the cost in your life as far as, am I taking off work? A lot of people that get a shaved case and their haircut is different are taking off huge amounts of time from work, sometimes a week to 2 weeks. A Shave-Less FUE, we've had patients go back to work the next day. I mean, that's a huge cost benefit. 7 out of 10 of our patients do a Shave-Less FUE, and we've made it affordable. I talked to a lot of patients from around the country that are looking for Shave-Less FUE, and they tell me the cost was almost double the charge to do a shaveless compared to a shave case. And we find that that's really unacceptable. It makes it a barrier to actually get a great procedure done. So our cost is very competitive. Obviously, it's a little bit more expensive compared to a shaved procedure because it's an expertise that we have and it takes longer. We make it affordable because it's something that we love to do. One of the greatest joys that I have doing hair restoration is to do a shaveless procedure and have somebody look at their donor site and see no difference between when they walked in for the procedure and when they're leaving after even a large procedure of, say, 2,000 or 2,500 grafts. And also have the option of having the top of their head not shaved and have minimal evidence that we did the procedure. We'd love to speak with you about Shave-Less FUE. It's something we're passionate about and definitely can deliver on.